Welcome to Sheik Math Academy. In this lesson, we are going to see JEE main maths questions in the topic of complex numbers. Look at the question. 2z plus modulus of z plus 3i minus modulus of z minus i is equal to 0. This is a year 2017 question. This represents a circle with radius 8 by 3 is one option. A circle with radius 10 by 3 another option. C is ellipse with major axis 16 by 3. D is ellipse with minor axis 16 by 9. Okay. Now let us see the question. How to do the question. Okay. Now Z is a complex number. Okay. So let Z is equal to x plus iy. Okay. Z plus 3i, x plus iy plus 3i. What it will become? X plus I y plus 3. Okay, modulus of z plus 3i, square root of x squared plus y plus 3 whole square. Okay, z minus I, z plus 3i we did, then z minus I, x plus iy minus I, x plus I y minus 1. Okay. Modulus of z minus I, square root of x squared plus y minus 1 whole square. That's all. Copy down until. Now I am making the equation 2 times square root of x squared plus y plus 3 whole squared. This minus z minus I am changing to this direction, right hand side direction. So moves to the right side. So square root of x squared plus y minus 1 whole square. Okay, now square it on both sides. What will happen? Why we are squaring? To remove the square root. When you are removing the square, 2, the square is for 2, 4 x squared plus y plus 3 whole square is equal to x squared plus y minus 1 square. Square root removed by when you are squaring. Copy down until now. Z is a complex number. I put x plus iy, then plus z plus 3i, just added 3. So I take out y plus 3. Modulus of z plus anything, square root of a squared plus b squared. A plus ib, modulus of a plus ib is square root of a squared plus b squared. So x squared plus y plus 3 whole squared. Here also I did iy minus 1, I took I out. So square root of x squared plus y minus 1 whole squared modulus. Then I just, the z minus I took it to right hand side. Then I squared. Okay. Next. Next is just rearrange. 4x squared plus 4y plus 3 whole square is equal to x squared plus y minus 1 whole square. Okay, now 4x squared, I expand. 4y plus 3 whole squared is what? 4y squared plus 9 plus 6y. A plus b whole squared is a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Okay, is equal to x squared plus y squared plus 1 minus 2y. Here no need bracket, here need a bracket. 4x squared plus 4y squared plus 36 plus 24y is equal to x squared plus y squared plus 1 minus 2y. This x squared I am bringing, y squared I am bringing left hand side. So what will become 4x squared minus x squared plus 4y squared minus y squared plus 24y minus 2y. Minus 2y, if it comes here, it will be plus 24y plus 2y minus plus 36. This 1, if it comes here equal to is there. Minus 1 is equal to 0. Copy down until now. Y plus 3 whole squared is y squared plus 9 6y. Y minus 1 whole squared is y squared plus 1 minus 2y. I just expanded, then I am rearranging, bringing the right side components to the left hand side, combining the same. So it will become 3x squared plus 3y squared plus 26y plus 35 is equal to 0. Okay, plus 35 is equal to 0. This I am rearranging to like circle equation. Circle equation is x square plus y square dividing by 3 plus 26 by 3y plus 35 by 3 is equal to 0. Okay. Until now, copy down. X squared plus y squared plus 26 by 3 okay. What is the circle equation? Why I am dividing by 3? Because circle equation is x squared plus y squared plus 2fx plus 2gy plus c is equal to 0. This is a circle equation. For that, what is the radius? This is the same method, x squared plus y squared plus 0x. Instead of plus 0x, because there is no x, plus 26 by 3 y plus c is equal to 0. Here, what is the radius? For this, what is the radius formula? Square root of f squared plus g squared minus c. Okay. Here f is 0 because 2fx 0x. F is 0. G is what? G is 2g is equal to 26 over 3. G is equal to 26 over 6. Nothing but 13 over 3. Okay, G is 13 over 3. That's all. Now, what is f squared? R is equal to f squared is 0 square, 0. Plus G squared is 13 by 3 square minus, what is C? C is 35 over 3. So, minus 35 over 3. So it will be square root of 169 by 9 minus 105 by 9. I just multiply it by 3 here. So what will happen? Square root of 64 over 9. It's nothing but 8 over 3. So this is a circle equation. It came like circle equation. So it is a circle equation and the radius is 8 over 3. Circle with the equation R is equal to 8 over 3. Copy it down until now. Look at the next question. Imaginary of IZ minus 2 over Z minus I plus 1 is equal to 0. This equation represents a part of circle having radius is equal to option A 1, option B is 2, option C is 3 by 4, option D is 1 by 2. This is a past paper JEE main question. Okay, Z is not equal to I, Z is a complex number. Okay, so what is our plan? We have to find imaginary number. This is IZ. Z is also having A plus IB. So that will, the whole section imaginary part we have to find out. That is a part of the equation, the whole of this one. Okay. Okay, now let Z is equal to X plus IY. Let Z is equal to X plus IY. IZ is what? IX plus IY. I squared Y. I squared Y is minus Y. Okay? I squared is minus 1. You know that. Okay, then IZ minus 2, what is called? IX minus Y minus 2. Just to rearrange it as in A plus IB format. Real part is minus Y minus 2. Imaginary part is IX. Minus Y plus 2 plus IX. Over? Succeeded. Next. The numerator of IZ minus 2 we found out. Okay. Then denominator of Z minus I. Z minus I is nothing but X plus IY minus I, X plus IY minus 1. Okay. This is also found out. Then IZ minus 2. Now we are going to combine everything. Minus Y plus 2 plus IX divided by X plus IY minus 1. Okay. If the denominator is having square root or complex number I, we have to multiply with the conjugate base. Why we are doing? When we are doing, if it is square root will go. When we are doing complex number, the I will become I squared. I squared will be minus 1. The finally what will happen? I will be removed. Okay, here what is the conjugate base? Here plus is there. So X minus I Y minus 1. X minus I Y minus 1. What will happen? This is A plus IB, A plus B, A minus B. What denominator will happen? A squared minus B squared. A squared minus B is I Y minus 1. B is not Y minus 1, I Y minus 1. Okay, I Y minus 1 squared. What will be the numerator? Multiply this one. Minus X Y plus 2. Okay, then minus minus will be plus. Plus I Y plus 2 Y minus 1 then plus ix squared, then I squared is minus 1, minus is plus 1, I squared is minus 1, already minus is there, so it will be plus 1, x y minus 1. So here the I portion is removed. Okay. Now what they are telling, imaginary of this, copy down and tell now. Imaginary of this 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. This is a part of the circle equation. So we have to take imaginary part only. Now just I write it in a proper way. Plus xy minus 1 plus I y plus 2 y minus 1 plus x squared. This is the imaginary part divided by x squared. I squared will be minus 1, minus minus is plus, y minus 1 whole squared. Okay. So now they are telling imaginary part means we have to take only this part. Only this part. We have to take only this part. Okay. This part plus 1 is equal to 0. So imaginary part means you have to remove the I also. Only this one. Y plus 2 y minus 1 plus x squared divided by x squared plus y minus 1 whole squared plus 1 is equal to 0. This is the main, we came to the main equation. Okay, now we have to make it to the, convert to the circle equation. We have to transform to the circle equation. Copy down until now. Okay. Y plus 2 y minus 1 plus x squared. This plus 1 will go to minus 1 that side, divided by x squared plus y minus 1 whole squared. Okay, then y plus 2, I expand. What will happen? Y squared plus plus y minus 2 will come if we expand. Then plus x squared is equal to minus x squared minus y minus 1 whole squared will come. Okay. This one if we expand, minus x squared minus y squared plus 1 minus 2y will come. I just take squaring and expanding with the minus plus 2y x squared plus y squared plus y minus 2. Okay, now everything bring it to one side. This minus x squared, if it comes here, it will be plus x squared. This y squared, if it comes, this minus y squared, it will be plus y squared. Plus y minus 2y. this 2. Minus 2 plus 1 is equal to 0. So 2x squared, 2y squared minus y minus 1 is equal to 0. 2x squared plus 2y squared minus y minus 1 is equal to 0. Until now, copy down. Okay. So divided by 2, because circle equation is what? Circle equation is x squared plus y squared plus 2fx plus 2gy plus c is equal to 0. Circle equation, so now I am converting this one to, because here 2x squared is there, I am converting to the x squared divided by 2. X squared plus y squared, because I am dividing by 2 here, minus y by 2, 0x minus y by 2 minus 1 by 2 is equal to 0. Okay. If it is, what is the circle equation? Radius f squared plus g squared minus c. Here what is f? F is 0. What is g? 2g is minus of. G is minus 1 by 4. So plus 1 by g is minus 1 by 4. G squared is 1 by 16 minus c is 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 minus c will be plus 1 by 2. So what will happen here? Multiply with 4, multiply with 4. 1 by 16 plus multiply by 8. 8 by 16. So 9 by 16. So 3 by 4. Radius is equal to 3 by 4. I will recap. You see the answers. You see the answers. Option A 1, option B is 2, option C is 3 by 4. Option C is 3 by 4. Just I will recap now. Imaginary part of iz minus 2 over z minus I plus 1 equal to 0 means z is equal to x plus iy, iz is equal to ix minus plus y, I squared is minus 1, ix minus iy, iz minus 2, this minus 2, then I rearrange this, I bring it here, plus ix, then I take minus out. Now this is looks like on complex number a plus ib format. Z minus I also I did the same, x plus iy minus I, x plus iy minus 1. Okay, now then I am making iz minus 2, instead of iz minus 2 I am substituting this one, I minus y plus 2 plus ix, and z minus I am substituting x plus iy minus 1. Okay, then I am denominator we want to remove, I means we have to multiply with the conjugate base, x plus, here plus is there, so minus you put, x squared minus a squared minus b squared, a plus b, a minus b, multiply everything. Okay, I just expand this two paras inside the components. Okay, I expand that, then it comes, they are wanting only imaginary part, so I took the imaginary part, y plus 2 y minus 1 plus x squared divided by x squared minus I squared will be I squared is minus 1, minus I squared will be plus 1, then we make it to minus plus 1 will become minus 1 that side. Okay, then cross multiplied, x squared plus y squared, this I expanded, y squared plus y minus 2 plus x squared, this will be this one. This will be, if it is cross multiply this one, then I rearrange 2x squared plus 2y squared minus y minus 1. They are telling it's a circle. So circle equation is x squared plus y squared, not 2x squared plus 2y squared. So I am dividing everything by 2. X squared plus y squared, since there is no x, I put 0x because 2fx minus y by 2 minus 1 by 2. Radius is square root of f squared plus g squared minus c. Radius is equal to 0 plus 1 by 16. Minus 2g is minus 1 by 2. 2g is minus 1 by 2. G is minus 1 by 4. G squared is 1 by 16. Minus c is minus 1 by 2. So plus 1 by 2, I just took the LCM, found out 3 by 4. Thank you for watching. Very nice question. Keep on watching my channel. Score well. All the best to you.